In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filters to auto-organize in Gmail. If your inbox often feels cluttered or overwhelming, filters are a simple but powerful way to let Gmail do the organizing for you. Instead of manually sorting messages, you can set rules once and have similar emails handled automatically from then on. To start, open Gmail in your browser and go to your inbox. First, click to open one of the emails you want to organize automatically. It's best to choose an email that represents a whole type of message, like a newsletter, receipts, notifications from a service, or updates from a specific person or company. This email will be the basis for your filter. With the email open, look towards the top right corner of the message, just above the body of the email. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, which usually means more options. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu of additional actions you can take for this message. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Filter Messages like these, and click it. Gmail will open a filter setup window, and you'll notice it automatically fills in details like the sender's email address. This tells Gmail, any email that matches these details should follow the new rule I'm about to create. In this window, you can refine what kind of messages you want to include. For example, you can filter by who it's from, who it's sent to, subject keywords, or even words contained in the body of the email. You might also limit it by size or whether it has attachments. Take a moment to think about what really defines the messages you're trying to organize and adjust those fields as needed so you don't accidentally filter the wrong emails. Once your conditions look right, click on the button that says Create Filter at the bottom of that window. This moves you to the next screen where you choose what happens to emails that match your rules. Here, you'll see several checkboxes such as skipping the inbox, marking as read, applying a label, starring the message or form, or forwarding it. Tick the boxes that match how you want Gmail to handle these messages in the future. For example, you might apply a specific label and skip the inbox so they go straight into a folder-like view. After you've chosen your actions, confirm and create the filter. If you want to adjust your search criteria again, you can click Back to Search options to tweak the conditions before finalizing. And that's it. From now on, Gmail will automatically handle similar emails according to the filter you just created, helping keep your inbox cleaner with almost no extra work.